was it like?
The whole trip?
Yeah.
Well, first of all, I got to meet Handa from Dallas. I'm Tracy from Austin. That was the number one thing. The number two thing is that right here, my roomie
Don't
from
leave me out.
California, Audrey. That was great. And then I met my long lost sister, Taryn McCoy, from Ireland. She doesn't really know we're long lost sisters, but I've named her whether she likes it or not.
You've checked the family tree.
I've checked the family tree. She's there. She's good. It was great. Day one, I thought I was going to die. Day two, I was sure I was dead. Day three, I thought I died again. Day four, it was
Resurrection.
kind of funny. Day three was really bad, right? Day four, I'm just like, hey, I'm here. People love